How to screenshot a WhatsApp profile picture. This tutorial shows you how to save someone's profile photo and explains why it doesn't always work the same way. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, tap on the chat of the person whose profile picture you want to screenshot. After that, tap their name at the top of the chat to open their contact info page. At this point, tap on their profile picture to expand it to full screen. Following this, try taking a screenshot by pressing the power and volume down buttons together. Whether this works depends entirely on the other person's privacy settings. If they haven't restricted their profile photo, the expanded image will capture normally, and screen recording will work the same way. But if they've limited who can see their profile picture, expanding it will still show the image, though screenshots will be blocked with a message saying the app doesn't allow it, and screen recording will show a black screen instead of the picture. If the screenshot is blocked, one workaround is to zoom in on the expanded picture using your fingers and take the screenshot while zoomed in, which sometimes bypasses the restriction depending on the device. Keep in mind, if you want to protect your own profile picture from being screenshotted, you can set the same restriction from your side. Tap the three dots at the top right of WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Privacy, and set Profile Photo to No One. That's how you screenshot a WhatsApp profile picture. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!